Well, progressing with my chopper rebuild. I've just jet washed the engine off and degreased it and all that. Got all the paint to touch up. The tanks are prepped, ready for the first few coats of black. The frame's been sprayed, the swinging arm and the two mudguards. The little mudguard stays. So progress. The wheels have been cleaned. Bit risky getting the engine out of here on its own and down to the patio, which is covered in black shit now, which he won't be happy about, but I'll jet wash it later. I took all the paint off the lower fork legs, which was purple, and polished them up. Need a little bit more work, but they're coming up. I've got a slight bit of paint to touch up there. It's not got enough paint on it. I must have missed that bit. Yeah. So far, so good.